How to create Snapchat public profile and start posting. So this video is step-by-step guide on how to use Snapchat public profile from A to Z. So first of all, now open up your Snapchat app. After you open your Snapchat app like this, now tap on your profile at the top. After you open your profile like this, now tap on this public profile. So in this section now, first of all you have to do now, tap on this as casino image to add a background image for the video for your profile. So go and select a picture from your gallery. So for me, let's say I'll just go ahead and use, I'll use this image. I'll use this image for my back. So tap on this. You can just use your hand to resize the image. So I will resize the image to this side. So tap on this upload button. So tap on this apply. So now as you can see now, here is my back as you can see now image. So after you finish adding your back image as you can see now, tap on this pencil icon again. In this section now, tap on this pencil icon to select a profile picture for your public profile. So go and select a profile picture. So for this for the purpose of this video, I will use this one. So now you can use your hand to resize the image. After you select you can use your hand to resize the image. So tap on this confirm. So here is the image. So in this section now, add your bio. You can just go ahead and add a bio. So in this section now, you can add a location, city. You can add state. You can add country. So after you finish adding all your information in this section now, tap on this back. So in this section now, as you can see now, in this section, it show followers count. Tap on this one to turn it on. Turn it on. So in this section now, tap on this back. After you finish all this, all you need to do, just tap on this as you can see now. Here is it now. Now I created my public profile. To start posting on your public profile, now tap on this as you can see now, spotlight, and tap on this as you can see now, this one, post. So from this section now, you can just go ahead and select a picture or a video from your phone, or you can just go ahead and tap on this section to select a video from your Snapchat gallery, or you can just go ahead now and as you can see now, you can just go ahead now and record a video if you want. But if you don't want, as you can see now, if you don't want, you can just go ahead and upload a picture or a video. So I'll upload a picture or a video from my phone. So let's say I'll just go ahead now and I'll use let's say this video. After you select the video like this now, all you need to do, you can tap on this save button. So from there, all you have to do, you can tap on this preview. So here is the video. You can just go ahead and add some features if you want to add. You can tap on this send button. So from there, as you can see now, here is the video or a picture. Just go ahead and add a caption, description. So after you finish adding all you want to add, all you have to do now, from there, make sure you select this one. As you can see now, this one, make sure you select this one, spotlight, select it. So from there, as you can see now, you can add description if you want, description and hashtags. Go and add it like as you can see now, hashtags. Go and add anything that you want to add as you can see now. After you finish adding all this, as you can see now, you can select a place. After you finishing adding all this information like this, you can tap on this share button. So as you can see now, here it says sending. So now if I tap on this, as you can see now, this settings, this one. So now as you can see now, here is now how my public profile will look. If now someone will visit my public profile on Snapchat, he can be able now to see this post, and here is now my bio, here is now my profile picture. That's it guys on how to create public profile on Snapchat step by step. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.